Hello guys, I'm Mehul and this is my new friend Scotty. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about birds, and he's very cute as you can see. But he was sleeping, so I'm gonna let him go. In this video, I'm going to talk about birds. Not ordinary birds, but flightless birds. I want you to recall some flightless birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do you know? Let's discuss. The main features of flightless birds are they have wings but they do not fly and mainly live on land. Okay, let's recall their names. Emu, Chakai, Ostrich, Penguin, and Kiwi. Let me tell you about these birds one by one. And the first one on the chart is Emu. Emus are the second largest bird in the world. They can grow up to 2 meters tall and they can run up to 50 kilometers per hour. They have two sets of eyelids, one for blinking and the other for keeping the dust out. The second one on the chart is Chakai. Chakai's length is 63 centimeters. It can grow up to 2 feet tall. Incubated by both mommy and daddy. It was once believed that Chakai were extinct for half a century, but found out they were in a hidden valley in Martian mountains. The next one on the list is ostrich. What was that? Is it flightless? Okay, that was a little weird. Okay, just get it. The next one on the list is ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird in the world. It has 3 stomachs. That's a lot of food for it to eat. Its speed is 70 kilometers per hour, covering up 5 meters in a single stride. Can you believe that? Its wingspan is 2 meters. The next one on the list is penguin. Emperor penguin is the tallest penguin, but not taller than me, and has a height of 4 feet. They have flippers instead of wings, which help them to swim underwater at the speed of 35 kilometers per hour. Do you know that all the 18 species of penguin are found at the southern hemisphere, not the northern hemisphere? The last one on the list is kiwi. Kiwi has mammal-like qualities like bones with marrow and strong legs for running. They are nocturnal birds and have a great sense of smell, and they are the national symbol of New Zealand. And that's it. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe like the other video I made too, and be ready for next videos.